don't only rely on this. Use.
So he's making tea today, and I'm sitting outside enjoying the view. The weather is nice outside. So guys, we are going to Shoreline Lake, which is close to Google office, and it's a nice place where there is a lake and you get to enjoy the scenic beauty, you know. So we decided, it was, you know, it's a bit hot today, so we decided to go somewhere where there's, you know, nice and windy. So we actually want to buy a kadai. Wow! And we don't know where to buy it from, so yeah, let's see. We might go today to, you know, one of the stores to buy kadai on our way back home from Shoreline.
The names, but one of them
Celestial.
was Fangs. Celestial, and one was Fangs. The Celestial was really simple
So,
and good and entertaining. Fang was more involved, I guess, where you had to strategize based on like your characters. And
So let me know if you all also like to play board games, because normally in India, you know, people don't really play these games, but it's fun.
As far as we know.
As far as we know, but I think nowadays people are doing that, you know, people are exploring ways to, you know, keep themselves engaged. So, I'm planning to learn to drive car today. So Ankit, you think it's Ankit, is it a good day to learn driving?
It's always a good day to learn driving. If you learn driving, I'll be free from all grocery trips. You can go yourself.
It's not like I don't know to drive. I used to drive in
She
India.
doesn't know how to drive.
I used to drive in India. I used to go everywhere by myself. You know, so for all these collaborations and all, to work, everything. So now that I'm here and the rules are different over here, the roads are difficult to understand, you know, I feel like I don't know driving, so I'm planning to learn to drive.
I don't think so. You need to learn to drive. You don't need to drive here.
Okay, so I'm gonna learn Tesla, and Tesla has a auto drive. What is it? It's self drive.
Assist.
This is just assist, but whatever it is, you can do it on the highway.
Lane assist.
Yeah, you can just put the car on, you know, assist mode on the highway. So I'm gonna learn Tesla super soon, or maybe today, you never know. So let's see. How far is it, Ankit, from where we stay?
It's about 14 minutes.
Okay, so it takes 14 minutes to reach there.
Yeah, almost here.
We are in the Google office campus, right?
Yeah, the main campus.
The Shoreline Amphitheater. Be there in just like 2-3 minutes.
Yes.
So behind us is the Shoreline Amphitheater, where the recent Google I/O was.
Google I/O always happens there.
Recent Google I/O program happened over there. So we are inside the Shoreline Park, and this 1 to 2 miles ka road before we reach there, right?
Yeah. But this whole thing is a trail, so you can even walk
Yeah. So there's
your way to the lake, like what people are doing here.
You can park your car outside the gate and just walk.
Or you can park in the.
There's a kite flying area over here. So there's like a open land and you can just fly your kites there. So we are not doing any trail or anything. We are just going to go there and sit by the lake.
Look at the cushion of the clouds.
Hey, look at the clouds. Oh my god. It looks like a snow-capped mountain. No? I don't know if you all can see it in the camera. Yeah. Look at that. So we've come here like 2-3 times just to sit by the lake. You can watch the sunset and all over here. The sunset looks beautiful from here. and it's just close by, and there's a water body, so it's a perfect place for us. Goans prefer to go to beaches, in the evening on a Sunday, so something like that, but not a beach, just a lake. We are here. There are children playing, and there's so many people today. It's a bit crowded. Let's see. Let's go out. See, people are inflating the kite.
It's not the kite.
What is it? It's a kite. There, see. What is it?
I don't know what it's called.
Ha, this is not a kite, but that's a kite. People are flying kite over here. Kites over here. So this is the lake.
Whatever water sported.
So we are here at the Shoreline Park, and right in front of us is the lake, and Ankit is reading a book and I'm just enjoying the view and enjoying the weather. Okay. Driving Tesla today. Parking. How about parking, huh? Reverse.
तो पहले पार्किंग शोध दे तो ना
Right, and turn gear.
तो कौन सा हाँ
कसं भेटला मग तिकडे इथून gear?
मम्मी म्हणणं ना सुशाला तर ती साईडीने
किती असं वाटलंय शिकपाक नाही फक्त
रोडचे फक्त आणि काय नाही
पुढे उरून फाटी घेऊ
पार्किंग स्पॉट
स्ट्रेट घालूंक जाय असली
नाका थोडी बसून घाल स्ट्रेट वच and put it in reverse.
Brake मारून reverse आणणार
The physical ones also always.
हांगा पळयता.
No, always like look the physical ones also. Slow. Shusha ka. So straight.
So Ankit is tasting my mango sticky rice. The mangoes are not that great, okay, they are very fibrous. The ones which we had in Thailand, they were like very sweet and very soft. And even the coconut was very sweet in Thailand. How is it?
I like it. The coconut with the dal and rice, that's perfect.
Okay.
That reminds me of the Thailand taste. The mango is not the perfect or the ones they use.
Yeah.
But although I think so, it's a very good match to what we had in Thailand. It gives you that kind of feeling.
Yeah. So I used the sticky rice which I used to make sushi, and on top I've added moong dal.
The coconut cream is really good.
So yeah.